Hello and welcome to Border Plant Sales. Today is our muck demonstration day with Shelbourne Reynolds today. We've got Edwin and Alex here from Shelbourne. It's Edwin's last day today, so we've got a surprise for him at lunchtime. We have just gone for Subways for everybody for lunch, and then we'll be bringing Edwin's surprise out. We have got the Shelbourne Power Spread Pro working today, so we'll have some footage to show you of that. But first, Edwin has done us a little talk around the machine, so you can see how the best to get out of your muck spread in.
Hi, my name's Edwin. I'm from Shelbourne Reynolds, and I would like to introduce you to our Power Spread range of muck spreaders. There are 6 current spreaders in our range. The first one being the dairy, which is a 1600 gallon machine, right up to a 3200 gallon Pro, which this machine here is. This is the short wheelbase version of the machine, so this is a 2300 gallon capacity, but it contains all the components of its bigger brother. So you've got all the heavy duty construction, the same with the wider spreading rotor, which I'll go through now. There are 3 different shear bolt systems on this machine to give you maximum protection. You're not quite sure what you're going to put in the machine, so it could be a multitude of maybe an odd block or a lump of stone or something. So the first piece of protection you'll come across will be on these paddles that actually feed the rotor here. There is a shear bolt that runs along there, and that enables this paddle to break back and so protect the auger from any serious damage. If you've got something in this area here that you wanted to get out, clearly this gap here isn't very big. So built into this machine is the ability to undo a little bolt at the back here, and this whole spreading rotor is on a ram, and it enables it to be hydraulically dropped to the floor, and that enables you then to pull anything out that gets in there, and that makes repairing it or literally freeing it up very easily. If you accidentally jam this auger up, you have the ability at the front to move the PTO and actually put it into reverse, which helps free any blockage, and then of course you can drop your rotor down to remove it. So that's the first of the safety devices. The spreading rotor itself is also protected on a secondary shear bolt of its own, so it doesn't rely on anything else. It completely has its own protection. These paddles are interchangeable, so if you look at them here, you can see that they're two-sided, and it means that you can actually, once you've worn this piece out, you can actually turn them round like a ploughshare, wear the other side out, and then you've got a very small piece that you then take off and you can replace. There are smooth ones like these ones here, and then you get the serrated ones. Clearly the serrated ones are for tearing off and reducing the size of the piece that you're spreading to give you a much better spread pattern, and the smoother ones are more for the slurry and also for keeping this drip tray clean, which is all it's there for. It's an overshot rotor, so it's actually throwing the material over the top of itself. Here's a deflection plate. So this is the idea of this first one, is it's lower than the other 2. So this one actually will reduce the distance at which it throws material, and then we increase the distance as we work along till you get to the last one, which doesn't have a deflector plate, and that's your maximum sort of 50 to 60 feet. So you're getting a complete multitude of spread from literally just outside the wheel right the way through. As you come towards the front of the machine, what you'll find here is clearly you've got a PTO shaft, and this is where it enables you to pull this one off, flip this guard across, and then this will go on the bottom, and that enables you to reverse the auger. So if you get a jam in there at all, it's very easy to unjam it itself, and then you can pull it out. If I open this guard, and in here you'll see the drive line. So it's a very, very big drive line here, and again the auger itself, on the other side there is a shear bolt protecting that auger. In here are the spare shear bolts if you need them for the paddles, so we actually supply a set in there as well, and those protect there. And then on the other side as well, you have a further shear bolt that obviously protects the rest of the machine. So you have a very, very strong, very big drive line. Obviously the drawbar and all the components on this machine are the same as the 3200, which is just a little bit shorter. So you're looking at really the size of machine you buy is the amount that you want to carry. This machine here you would be looking at around 10 ton, and a 3200 you would be looking at something like 15 ton maximum. But a whole variety of machines, it doesn't matter. As the machine works, of course, unlike a rear spread, like a rear discharge, where the weight of your muck is moving backwards and taking weight off your drawbar, with the Shelbourne power spread, it actually pulls from the front and the back to keep the weight central. So on steep ground and hilly ground, you're not taking weight off your drive on your tractor, which makes it quite a bit different to that. So yeah, a complete range. That's just a very, very short talk through for you. Hopefully, if you want more information, of course, please come along. The guys here at Border Plant are very, very helpful, and they'll supply you with all the information you need. And if you want further information, please give us a ring at Shelbourne, and there'll be somebody there that'll be able to help you out. Lovely talking to you, and hopefully we'll see you all soon.
There's a surprise for you, Edwin.
Oh, for goodness sake. Edwin? Oh, get out. You're joking.
We are.
Good Lord above.
Up in the dining.
Good Lord above. Oh, look at that. Who made that?
James's mum.
James's mother in the workshop.
Really? Wow, good Lord above. I got to get a picture of that. Good Lord. That's impressive, isn't it?
That's all the sport you've given us over the last few years.
I don't quite know what to do, you know. I'm thinking, do I cut a chunk out of my Tell you what we're doing.
We've got Anne hanging around for a while.
All packed up for today. Thanks to everyone who came to the Muck Day today and to wish Edwin happy retirement. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll try and create some more for you. See you again.